Welcome back viewers. In the course, in this lecture, we will install Cloudflare, which is a CDN network, and I already mentioned that it is used for serving pages from a nearby server to the viewers. So this is a little bit critical and tricky, part for installing Cloudflare on your website. Like this is our website. So you should know that when things go wrong, your website can actually become unavailable to the visitors, or your website just may go down. Okay, so you should keep this in mind. If you are not a technical person, then you should give this task to your developer or somebody who works for the server of your website, and you can do it yourself. It is easy, but in case things go wrong, then you can get your site back. So you should always know that how you can get your site back in case this process creates problem for you. So what you need to do is just go to the cloudflare.com. This is the website. This is the CDN which we will be using. It is free. You can use it for your personal websites for free. And the second thing you need is your web hosting or domain name account, actually not web hosting but domain name account, where you can change the DNS. DNS means the domain name servers. Okay, when you have a domain, you will get a domain name server as well, where you will add your IP address of your web hosting account. So your files are saved in your web hosting accounts, and your domain will access those files through the domain name server. Okay, the address of your domain name server. So in order to use the Cloudflare, we will have to replace the domain name servers of our web hosting to this network, so they can serve pages of our website from a different web server. So what we need to do, we need to just go and log in to Cloudflare, or just create a new account. I already have account here. Creating an account is just simple thing, 1 2 3. So after creating your account, you will just log in. I already have some websites added. Like you can see, 2 of my websites are already active here, and I will click this add a site option here. Okay, and what I need to do is just copy the address of my site, copy and paste it here. Okay, I pasted it here, and I will click add a site or invalid domain. Okay, I don't need to add this HTTP only the domain name, like example.com. okay, cameralist.com is our domain. Add a site, and now it will show me different plans options. They also have paid plans, but I will use the free one. So I will click the free one and confirm plan. Now a quick scan. We are scanning your site for DNS records to import automatically. Okay, so they're automatically actually doing these things. You will see, there are so many options here. You can see all of the options, and we'll have to just continue because this is a very big thing. So they have taken, they say like login, they have automatically detected everything already available on our DNS server. So they say like remove these name servers which already we have there, but I will recommend you to save your existing name servers. Like in my case, these are my name servers. I will just go to my desktop, and on my desktop I will just create a new text file, and I will save my existing name servers here in case something goes wrong. So I can just go back and add these original name servers, which are basically my hosting name server. Okay, so I can take this one and can get my site back in case things go wrong. Otherwise, if things go right, then I don't need to do that. Okay, now I need to replace these name servers provided by Cloudflare. So the first name server is this one. I will just copy it, and now I will go to my Namecheap account where my domains are there. My domains, like especially this one, the camera list, you can see. And here I will go to manage, click the manage option. In there I can change the DNS servers. So here, if we scroll down, we will see the DNS which already exists from inside the Namecheap from my hosting account, which is A2 hosting. So I will replace the first one, and then I will go back and copy the second name server. There are just two name servers, and this will be the similar process for any domain name provider. Like if your site, your domain is on GoDaddy, Bluehost, or HostGator, or any web hosting account. Okay, you can do this process in a similar way. Just replace your DNS, both of your DNS. Now I will click save, and that's it. The DNS servers will take like 48 hours. It can take 48 hours to take complete effect. Okay, and here I will also now click done and check name servers. So it is saying your SSL TLS encryption mode is full. So everything is okay. You don't need to change anything else. Just come here, always use HTTPS. Okay, we can enable this one. Okay, always use HTTPS because my site is HTTPS. Auto manify JavaScript, CSS, HTML. We don't need to enable this option because this is already in the plugin that we installed called Fastest Cache. Okay, and rest, just everything is okay. Click done. That's it. Now sometimes it takes like 24 hours, and sometimes it takes 48 hours to completely enable all the settings for this website. Right now, if I just refresh my site, it should work fine. There is no issue because this all process is in the background, and you don't need to worry about all these options because the basic thing is to serve your pages to the visitors in an easy way, and that will be done by the Cloudflare. But once again, in case things go wrong, your site go down, then you can just go back. You have already saved your name servers here. You can just go back to your account, your domain name account, and just replace with the original name server. So your site will be live again. So I hope you understood. If you have any question, you can ask that, and I will be happy to help you out.